Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the most inspiring kitchen designs for 2025. Kitchens have evolved into much more than mere cooking spaces. They now serve as the heart of the home, a gathering place for family. Whether you're aiming for a cutting-edge modern aesthetic, infusing timeless elegance, or seeking to revitalize your space with fresh, innovative ideas, we've got just what you need. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 kitchen designs that beautifully merge modern functionality with classic elegance. Each design will be thoroughly explored, highlighting key features, materials, color palettes, and layout ideas that define them. Additionally, we'll provide insightful tips for achieving these looks without breaking the bank. Stick around for our bonus segment at the end, where we'll share invaluable tricks for transforming your kitchen on a budget. So grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Design 1. Sleek Minimalist Kitchens. First on our list is the Sleek Minimalist Kitchen, a design approach that celebrates simplicity, clean lines, and a clutter-free atmosphere. In 2025, minimalist kitchens are advancing with greater sophistication and efficiency. Envision seamless cabinetry with no visible handles, hidden appliances that blend perfectly into the cabinetry, and an array of integrated storage solutions that ensure everything has its place. Key features: a calming color palette featuring whites, soft grays, and pastel shades creates a serene environment. This not only visually expands the space but also contributes to a sense of peace. Premium materials such as marble and glossy finishes enhance the modern aesthetic and introduce a touch of luxury. Advanced smart technology, including touchless faucets and integrated lighting systems, further elevates the minimalist design. Design tips: opt for handleless cabinets and concealed LED strip lighting to amplify the sleek appearance. Utilize smart storage solutions, such as pull-out shelves and built-in dividers, to maximize space while keeping countertops clutter-free. Incorporate a few carefully chosen decor items, such as a single statement plant or a few curated art pieces, to maintain the minimalist aesthetic without overwhelming the space. What do you think of the minimalist kitchen style? Is it a refreshing change, or do you find it too cold? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Design 2. Earthy and Organic Kitchens. In 2025, we're embracing a beautiful trend of bringing nature indoors with earthy and organic kitchen designs. This style focuses on warmth, texture, and creating a calming atmosphere. Picture natural wood cabinetry, stone or marble countertops, with earthy tones and soft muted colors like sage green, terracotta, and warm beige. Key features: reclaimed wood accents, woven baskets, and natural fiber rugs contribute to a harmonious, earthy vibe, inviting the outdoors in. Large windows or skylights that flood the space with natural light create an uplifting environment, enhancing your mood while cooking. Eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances align with the sustainability movement, making this design both stylish and responsible. Pro tip: enhance the organic vibe by adding potted plants, hanging herbs, or wooden utensils. Choose energy-efficient appliances with high energy ratings to ensure your kitchen aligns with sustainable living practices. What's your favorite way to bring nature into your home? Share your ideas in the comments. Design 3. Industrial Chic Kitchens. For those who crave an edgier aesthetic, industrial chic kitchens present a captivating choice. This design style blends raw materials like exposed brick walls, concrete countertops, and black metal fixtures to create a bold, modern environment. In 2025, we're seeing an evolution of industrial kitchens, incorporating softer elements such as wooden bar stools and warm pendant lighting. Key features: emphasis on imperfect finishes and materials that tell a story, such as reclaimed wood and salvaged metals, adds character to the space. Open shelving to display beautiful dishware or unique decor items adds character and a personal touch, creating a warm and inviting feel. Statement lighting fixtures like oversized pendant lights become focal points that draw the eye and enhance the overall design. Design ideas: introduce statement lighting fixtures like oversized metal pendant lights to illuminate the space effectively while adding an industrial flair. Use black or charcoal cabinetry to add depth and drama to the design. Incorporate personal items such as travel souvenirs or unique cookbooks on open shelves to enhance the industrial vibe. Do you love the industrial look? What unique materials would you incorporate into your kitchen? Let us know your thoughts. Design 4. Open concept kitchens. Open concept kitchens continue to be a major trend in 2025, seamlessly integrating the kitchen into the living space. This design fosters a natural flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, making it perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. The key is to ensure the kitchen feels like an extension of the living room. Key features: consistent flooring throughout the space, such as hardwood or large format tiles, creates a cohesive look that visually connects each area. Coordinating furniture styles and colors enhance the flow between areas, making transitions smooth and inviting. Large kitchen islands often serve as multifunctional spaces for cooking, dining, and socializing, doubling as both a prep area and a casual dining spot. Pro tip: consider installing a spacious kitchen island with bar seating. This not only maximizes your counter space, but also becomes a social hub for family and friends to gather while you cook. What's your favorite aspect of open concept living? Is it the social interaction, design flexibility, or spaciousness? We want to hear your thoughts. Design 5. Colourpop kitchens. If you're wary of traditional neutral tones, the Colourpop kitchen may be your perfect solution. In 2025, we're seeing a vibrant explosion of kitchen designs that utilize color to make bold statements. Picture cabinets in vibrant blues, emerald greens, or sunny mustard yellows, complemented by neutral countertops for a lively, energetic atmosphere. Key features: playful combinations of bright colors can energize the space and reflect your personality, creating a kitchen that feels uniquely yours. Neutral elements like white or light wood can balance the vibrant colors and prevent the design from becoming overwhelming, ensuring a harmonious look. Colorful backsplashes can serve as eye-catching focal points, drawing attention and adding depth to the design. Design tips: start small by introducing bold colors through cabinetry or backsplashes first. If you love the effect, consider painting an accent wall in a coordinating shade for an even bolder statement. Incorporate colorful kitchen accessories, like vibrant dish towels, utensils, or decorative bowls, to tie in the color theme without committing to large renovations. Would you dare to go bold with your kitchen colors? What's your favorite color trend for 2025? Share your ideas in the comments. Design 6. Modern farmhouse kitchens. The modern farmhouse kitchen continues to charm homeowners in 2025. This style artfully blends rustic charm with contemporary touches, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Envision shaker-style cabinetry, large farmhouse sinks, and open shelving that showcases your favorite kitchenware. Key features: a mix of textures, such as smooth countertops paired with rough-hewn wood, creates a welcoming environment perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. Vintage decor items, like antique scales or rustic canisters, enhance the farmhouse charm while adding character. Modern lighting fixtures and black matte accents provide a contemporary edge to the classic design, ensuring it feels fresh and relevant. Pro tip: combine classic farmhouse elements, like wooden beams or butcher block counters, with modern lighting fixtures to create a space that feels fresh yet grounded in tradition. What's your favorite feature of the modern farmhouse style? Is it the cozy aesthetic or the functional layout? Let us know in the comments. Design 7. Smart kitchens. 2025 marks a significant leap towards the smart kitchen. Imagine a space where you can control everything, from lighting to temperature to your oven, using just your smartphone or a voice-activated assistant. Touchless faucets, smart refrigerators with built-in cameras, and advanced induction cooktops are just a few examples of innovative technology transforming kitchens this year. Key features: smart appliances that sync with your home network for seamless control, allowing you to set cooking times and monitor your fridge from anywhere. Advanced cooking tools like air fryers and sous vide machines simplify meal preparation while ensuring consistent results. Energy monitoring systems help you track usage and save on bills, making it easier to maintain efficiency in your kitchen. Pro tip: even if you're not planning a full kitchen remodel, you can still integrate smart technology by installing smart lighting systems or voice-controlled assistants. Look for appliances that offer compatibility with existing smart home systems for seamless integration. Design 8. Two-tone kitchens. Two-tone kitchens are trending and set to continue in 2025. By using one color for your upper cabinets and another for the lower cabinets, you create visual interest and balance. Popular combinations include rich navy blue with crisp white, or charcoal gray paired with warm wood tones. Key features. Creative expression through contrasting colors and finishes allows for a highly personalized design that can adapt over time. Lighter upper cabinets can make smaller spaces feel larger, while darker lower cabinets ground the overall look and create visual stability. Accent colors can be incorporated through decor elements like rugs, wall art, or small appliances to tie the design together. Pro tip: if you're hesitant about committing to two-tone cabinets, start by painting your kitchen island in a contrasting color for a stunning pop of visual interest. Have you ever thought about two-tone cabinets for your kitchen? What color combinations would you consider? Share your ideas with us. Design 9. Retro Revival Kitchens. Get ready to embrace nostalgia with retro kitchens making a vibrant comeback in 2025. Inspired by designs from the 50s, 60s, and 70s, retro kitchens bring fun and a playful vibe to your home. Picture bold colors, checkerboard floors, and vintage-style appliances that blend classic charm with modern efficiency. Key features: bright, cheerful color palettes. Think teal, cherry red, and pastel pink. Create a cheerful atmosphere that evokes memories while providing a contemporary twist. Vintage appliances, like rounded refrigerators or classic stoves, are designed to perform with modern efficiency while enhancing the nostalgic vibe. Bold patterns, such as checkered floors or geometric tiles, add visual dynamism and keep the design feeling fresh and lively. Design idea: mix retro elements, like colorful appliances and patterned backsplashes, with sleek countertops and contemporary lighting for a balanced yet nostalgic look that feels cohesive. Which retro elements would you love to see in your kitchen? Share your favorite nostalgic design features in the comments. Design 10. Luxurious marble kitchens. For a high-end, luxurious aesthetic, marble kitchens are a must in 2025. Marble countertops, backsplashes, and even entire kitchen islands elevate the space to a level of sophistication that's hard to match. While classic white marble with gray veining remains a staple, darker options like black or emerald marble are gaining popularity, providing striking contrast and drama. Key features: marble exudes elegance and can be used in various applications, countertops, backsplashes, and accent pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic while providing functional surfaces. Pairing marble with gold or brass fixtures can create a stunning juxtaposition of materials that feels both opulent and modern. Large, statement pieces of marble can be used in unexpected places, such as a waterfall island or unique sculptural designs that catch the eye. Pro tip: while marble can be costly, you can achieve a similar luxurious look with marble effect quartz, which is more durable and easier to maintain, perfect for busy kitchens without sacrificing style. Bonus segment: kitchen renovation on a budget. Now that we've covered the top kitchen designs for 2025, let's explore how you can achieve these stunning looks without overspending. Renovating your kitchen is a significant investment, but with some creativity and resourcefulness, you can transform your space affordably. Tips for budget-friendly renovation: refinish instead of replace. Refurbishing your cabinets with paint or stain can give them a new lease on life without the high cost of new cabinetry. Peel and stick backsplashes. These are an excellent way to add a stylish touch without the mess and expense of traditional tiling. They come in a variety of styles and patterns to suit any aesthetic. DIY projects. Consider simple projects like updating cabinet hardware, creating open shelving, or painting accent walls to provide an instant facelift at a fraction of the cost. Smart lighting upgrades. Switching to stylish pendant lights or adding under-cabinet lighting can dramatically change the ambiance without breaking the bank. Final pro tip: never underestimate the transformative power of paint. A fresh coat on your cabinets or walls is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to revitalize your kitchen. And there you have it, the top 10 most inspiring kitchen designs for 2025. We've explored a wide array of styles, from the sleek lines and understated elegance of minimalist kitchens to the vibrant and nostalgic charm of retro designs. Each kitchen offers unique features and aesthetics that cater to different tastes and preferences, ensuring there's truly something for everyone. Now, we want to hear from you. Which design resonated with you the most? Was it the calming vibes of the earthy and organic kitchens, or perhaps the bold statements made by Colourpop designs? We'd love to hear your favorites and thoughts on how you plan to incorporate these ideas into your own space. Share your opinions and any design inspirations you have in the comments below. Your input could inspire fellow viewers. As always, we encourage you to like this video if you found it helpful or inspiring. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll never miss an update when we release new videos packed with even more interior design inspiration and practical tips for creating your dream kitchen. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for home design. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into specific design elements, offer renovation tips, and showcase incredible transformations that will inspire you to take your kitchen to the next level. We're dedicated to helping you create a space that not only reflects your personal style, but also enhances your daily life, whether that means enjoying family meals, hosting friends, or simply finding joy in your cooking routine. Until next time, happy designing.